Somewhere on earth, I'm receiving the first rays of sunlight. The light, the water, the air, and the soil are the magical ingredients which are used to create life on earth. Some call me nature, others call me Mother Nature. I have been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, the future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter, or worse. I'm trying so hard to protect you, but you are going too far. Can't you take lessons from Amazon and Australia?
Fires have killed 18 people, they've killed close to 500 million animals, they're over twice as big.
I have been here for eons. I have filled spaces greater than you, and I have stirred spaces greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your actions will determine your fate. Not mine, I am nature and I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?